Yes, hello. Yes, welcome to your speaking test today for the Academy Starters for Unit 5 and 6. So, are you ready? Yes, you are ready. And before we begin, can you introduce yourself? What's your name? Your name is Leo. And how old are you, Leo? I'm? Yes. And how old are you? Are you 8? Are you 9? How old are you? You are 10. So you say, I'm 10 years old. I'm again, I'm 10. One more time. I'm 10 years old. Okay, good job. And how are you today? Are you happy or sad today? Can you say, I'm happy today? Okay, I'm happy today. I'm okay, very good, Leo. And we will now start your speaking test. Okay, let's begin for the part one of your speaking test. Okay, can you tell me the name of these objects that you can see in our screen? So here, Leo, what is this? Yes, what are this? They are. What are these? Are these skirts, socks? What are these? No, they are shoes. Again, they are shoes. Okay, good job, Leo. How about this? It's it's a skirt. One more time. It's a skirt. Okay, good job. Keep on practicing. How about this? Trousers. Again, it's trousers. 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 Okay, practice that. Trousers. How about this? It's a very good t-shirt. Okay, how about this? It's dress. Again, it's okay, it's a dress. How about this? It's a jumper. One more time. It's all right. How about this? Socks. Again, socks. It's not socks. It's socks. It's a socks. Okay, good job. Practice more. How about this? It's shirt. Okay, one more time. It's one more time. It's a shirt. It's okay. Good job, Leo. Okay, keep on practicing for the part one. And for let's move on to part two. Okay, for example, I say, where's the t-shirt? Click the t-shirt and move it to number 5. Okay, let's practice. Okay, how about where's the trousers? Can you click trousers and trousers? No, it's not. It's the shoes. Trousers like this. Trousers. Click it and move it to number 3. Click. Click it first, Leo. Click it and move it to number 3. Yes. Okay, good. Number 3. Okay, good job. Okay, so how about where's the shirt? Can you move shirt to number 6? Shirt. It's a dress. Shirt. Look at the picture. Where's the shirt? Where's the shirt? That's a skirt. Okay, this is a shirt. Okay, move it to number 6. Okay, good job, Leo. Where's the socks? Socks. Can you move socks? Click it. Move it to number 2. Number 2. All right, good job, Leo. How about the shoes? Where's the shoes? Put it on number 4. Number 4. 4, 4. Where's the number 4? This is number 4. Okay, good job, Leo. How about the dress? Can you move dress to number 5? Click it first, move it to number 5. Okay, very good, Leo. How about the jumper? Can you move jumper to number 1? Jumper. Jumper. Number 1. Again. Okay, number 1. Can you move t-shirt to number 7? T-shirt, number 7. Number 7. Can you move skirt to number 8? No. Okay, very good, Leo. We are finished for the part 2. Let's move on to part 3, which is not belong to the group, which is different. Which one is not for girls? Not for girls. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, or picture 4? Not for girls. Not for girls. 1, 2, 3, or 4? No, that's pink sweater. That's a pink jumper. That's for girls. Not for girls. Not for girls. Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Yes, picture 4 is not for girls. It's a blue hat. How about in this picture? Which one is not for boys? Not for boys. 1, 2, 3, or 4? Number? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, or 4? Not for boys. Yeah. Picture? Picture 2. Very good. That's the correct answer. Okay, look at the pictures. Okay, so which one is not part of our head? Not part of our head. Picture? Picture 1. Very good. Which one is not part of our head? Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4. Picture 3, not part. Picture 1, 2, 3, or 4? Picture 2. Very good. We are finished with part 3. Let's move on to the last part of our speaking test. What are you wearing today? What are you wearing today? I am wearing jacket today. One more time. I am wearing jacket. Very good. And what color do you like? What color do you like? You like black. And what color are your shoes? My shoes are what color? Is it red? Is it blue, green, or black? What is the color of your shoes? My shoes yeah, what is the color of your shoes? What is the color? Is it green? Is it blue? It's blue. So you will say, my shoes are blue.
Yeah. My
Shoes are
blue.
one more time. My
My shop
shoes.
shoes.
One more time. My shoes.
My shoe are blue.
Blue. All right. Very good. What color is your eyes? My eyes
I
are
black.
black. Okay, good job. How many hands do you have? How many hands do you have?
I
Have
have
one, two. One, two. How many hands do you have?
I have two
Hands.
and
I have two hands. Can you say that again?
I have two hands.
Okay, good job. Who is your friend in our classroom? Who is your friend in our classroom? My friend
My friend
is
is classroom.
what is the name of your friend? Is your friend Liam? Is your friend is Tree? Who is your friend in our classroom? My friend
My friend
is
is class.
who is your friend? Liam or Tree? Tree. So you say my friend is Tree.
My friend is T.
Okay. And what is Tree wearing today? What is he wearing today? Tree is wearing. Tree
T
is again. Tree
T
is
is
wearing
wearing
jumper
jumper
today.
today.
One more time. Tree
T
is
is
wearing
wearing today.
is wearing what? Jumper. Tree is wearing jumper today.
T
Is
is
wearing
wearing
jump
jumper
to.
today.
All right, good job. And what color does he like? Does he like green? Does he like black? Does he like blue?
In my balloon.
Blue, all right. And what is the color of your mommy's hair? What is the color of your mommy's hair? My,
My
my,
my
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 mommy's hair
mommy here
is
is black.
black. What color is your daddy's eyes? My
My
daddy's eyes
I
are
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 are brown.
what are what? It's brown. Again, what color is your daddy's eyes? My daddy's eyes.
My
My daddy's eyes
daddy
are
are brown.
brown. All right. Very good, Leo. But you need to practice more, okay? So you can improve more. Keep on practicing. Okay, very good. Okay, so you did a great job and good effort. Okay, you've shown a good effort in our speaking test today. But before we end our speaking test, can you say goodbye? Yes, job well done. Can you give teacher a high five? Keep on practicing. Bye bye.